Welcome to the Renaissance Hotel, London Heathrow, literally right by the runway. Really good hotel. I hope you enjoy watching it. Welcome to the Renaissance Hotel, Heathrow. Today we're going to San Francisco, Terminal 3. So as you'll have seen, it's nice and sunny this morning. We got here last night but it was too dark to film, so I just thought I'd put something together this morning so you can see what it looks like. Easy to get to, nice room, and obviously you get plenty of action at the front of the airport as well, because we luckily enough got a room with a view, which is with the runway. Right outside the window, but it was quiet. It's all double glazed. You can't really hear anything at all, and the planes stop at midnight. That was loud. Right, now I'll show you the room view, and we'll see you probably later on. So you're aware, just as you walk in the hotel, just to the left down there is reception, and around the corner to the left is the restaurant, and there's shops and there's bars just to the right as well. So now I'll go back to a little bit of me talking and go back to the room. 1, 2, 1, 2. 2 and 2 with a runway view. So as you come into the room, you'll see there's a bathroom on the left. It's a nice clean bathroom. All the things you need: soaps, shower gels, towels on the side. Nice and clean, nothing really missing. It was a nice comfort night. It was a nice bathroom. Hello to me. Yeah, I would recommend it. It was a nice shower as well. And when you came out, you've got your tea and coffee making machine there. You've got, I think there were some biscuits, I'm not too sure. I don't think there was any biscuits. But the tea was there. The bed, it was a really comfortable bed. Nice double bed. All the amenities. Got TV. Got my luggage there. Mini fridge. There. Nothing in it. So we come the next morning, just before the flight, nice and early. As you can see, the room is really good. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It's much appreciated. It helps me grow the channel. It's going to be faster than I thought. But the best part of this room is that's how close you are to the runway, and literally it's really good all day. I mean, obviously the flights do stop during the night, but it's really good if you're a plane enthusiast or aviation enthusiast. This is a really good room. Ask for a runway view if you can get it. Really double glazing. Really good. Yeah, that's me in the car park. Beautiful sunny day, watching the planes go past. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll catch you on the next one.